Hello and welcome, my name is Liam Harden, I'm the creator behind Dios3DWorld. In this video I wanted to show the new update for my fantasy elevator system that is available at my Unreal Engine Marketplace store. In this update I added LEDs to every mesh, made the hoist visibility trigger in the main elevator blueprint to automatically scale with the set travel height, implemented a double platform option to the elevators, and added an interaction widget to the levers so the player knows that he can interact with said levers. Plus I made some minor bug fixes. With that said, let's get started. For better performance, every skeletal and static mesh now has 4 levels of details that were automatically generated by the engine. Next, the visibility trigger box, which makes the hoist meshes visible while the player is on the elevator or in the elevator shaft, now scales automatically with the set travel height, but can be adjusted to its specific needs as before via this variable. The biggest addition in this update is the double elevator feature that lets you add a second platform that is the selected travel height above the main platform. With this you can now connect 3 floors with the elevator. The lever placement remains the same, so one at the bottom and one at the most upper floor. The middle floor does not need one because there is always one of the 2 platforms of the elevator. With this feature, the way to set the travel height did change a bit. Here are now 2 variables, select the travel height and the actual travel height. In the first one, you can set your desired travel height as before, and the second one is just an output to read and can't be changed. When the double elevator function is not activated, both variables show the same value. When the feature is activated, the travel height is limited to increments of the length of the hoist mesh segments. That means you can still set any travel height value, however the elevator automatically sets its actual travel height to which it will go and displays the value at the actual travel height variable. Unfortunately, the Stone 2 elevator does not work with this feature because the pillar style of the elevator is not compatible. The double elevator feature is also available for your custom meshes. Therefore, you set your meshes, input the hoist mesh segment length and starting position value as before. In the default category, you may see now that the selected and actual travel height values do not match up right, and that the meshes are not visibly connected. For this, you use the variable second platform z-adjust and try to get the actual travel height closer to the selected and visibly connect the 2 platforms together. Next, I added a widget that lets the player know that he can interact with the lever when he overlaps the trigger box. You can easily set your own widget by selecting it via the drop-down here. Lastly, I fixed some bugs in the code, adjusted the collision of some meshes, and improved the end of the pulling animation for the epic skeleton so it would transition more smoothly back to other animations. And this covers all of the new features of this update. Let me know down below in the comments what you think about this and other features you would like to see added. Check out my stores via the links down below, stay creative, and I hope we see you soon again. Thanks for watching.